In the mid-70s, a man who came to Rajkot in search of livelihood has today become a source of livelihood for 500,000 people. A man hailing from nondescript village in Saurashtra, having attended school till class 10, is today being invited by top B schools to come and share his success story. Meet Chandubhai Veerani, Managing Director of Balaji Wafers Private Limited, the man who has redefined how packaged food business is done in India. He began his journey with his two brothers by selling chips near a small cinema hall in Rajkot. With time, the single-screen theatre downed its shutters due to competition from multiplexes. But the brothers moved on. They have travelled 2 generations with their brand Balaji to become one of the largest makers of potato chips in India. While many other snack food companies could not survive the competition from multinationals, Balaji Wafers has become a household name today, giving multinationals a run for their money. Son of a farmer, Chandubhai came to Rajkot in 1974 with some financial support from the family. Fueled by the success of his chips business near the cinema hall, Chandubhai decided to turn this to their core business.
બીજા પાસે અમે જે માલ લેતા એ રેગ્યુલર સપ્લાયર ન મળતા એમ થયું કે જાતે અમે પ્રોડક્શન શરૂ કરીએ 1982 માં અમે બધા બ્રધરોએ ઘરે પ્રેક્ટિકલ બધું જાતે કરતા કરતા આગળ વધાર્યું.
In 1989, the company set up a plant in GIDC's industrial estate in Rajkot.
82 માં લોકો એવું સમજતા કે થાલામાં વેફર મળતી હોય એ ફ્રેશ હોય ને પેક હોય એ વાસી હોય. ધીમે ધીમે અમે સારી ક્વોલિટી અને અવેલેબલી વધારે કરી સર્વિસ દ્વારા.
Chandubhai's success mantra is to focus into distribution.
10% પ્રોફિટ હોય અને 15% ખર્ચો થતો હોય તો પણ ત્યાં માલ પહોંચાડવો જોઈએ. ત્યારે ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન મજબૂત થાય છે અને ત્યારે એક નાનામાં નાનો કસબો હોય ને ત્યાં પેકેટ પહોંચે છે, કસ્ટમર જે છે એ સેટિસ્ફાઈ થાય છે.
The company has a strong network of 600 dealers in 5 states. The distribution-only model has certainly paid off. The homegrown brand from Gujarat is valued at a whopping 4,000 crore today. And brand Balaji enjoys 60 to 65% share in the wafers and snack market in Western India. The company has an annual business turnover of rupees 1,200 crore and is now spreading its wings to northern and southern markets. The company has 2 major business establishments directly employing 2,200 people. Of this, 70% workforce comprises of women. Balaji Wafers has been doing CSR activity for long, much before CSR became a norm for Indian companies. A man of few words, Chandubhai truly personifies the indomitable entrepreneurial spirit that is the hallmark of Indian businesses today.